Hello guys, welcome back. Today's video, I want to show you how to turn off vibration on your iPhone. To turn off vibration on iPhone, it's very simple to do. The first thing I want you to do, I want you to go to your settings on your iPhone. So let's open up my settings on my iPhone. So once you open up your settings on your iPhone, I want you to scroll down. I want you to scroll down and tap on sounds and haptic. Let's tap on that. So once you tap on sounds and haptics, at the top here, you're going to see where it says haptics. I want you to tap on that haptics. So once you tap on that haptics, you can see it says always play, play in silent mode, don't play in silent mode, and never play. You want to change this to never play. Just tap on this never play. Once you tap on this never play, vibration will be turned off on this iPhone. And that is the first method. Let me show you another method you can use to turn off vibration on your iPhone. So once you go back to the settings, you want to scroll up and tap on accessibility. So once you tap on accessibility, you want to scroll down and tap on touch. So let's tap on touch. So once you tap on touch, you want to scroll down. Once you scroll down, if you check the middle here, you can see where it says vibration. You want to turn off this vibration. Let's turn it off now. So once you tap on it, it will turn off vibration. So guys, this is how you can actually turn off vibration on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.